Hello again, guys. This is Mr. Hassel. Today's lesson is Lesson 42 of Unit 10. Today we're going to talk about common time and cut time, or also called alla breve. The time signature 4/4 may also be written as a C called common time because it is the most common time signature. If you see this in the music, it means the same thing as 4/4. When a vertical line passes through the C, it is known as cut time or alla breve. The top and bottom numbers of 4/4 are cut in half, so 2/2. In the time signature of cut time or 2/2, it means there are 2 beats in each measure, and the 2 on the bottom means that a half note receives 1 beat. In 2/4 time, whole notes or whole rests get 2 beats. Dotted half notes or a half rest and a quarter rest gets 1.5 beats. A half note or a half rest gets 1 beat. A quarter note or a quarter rest gets a half a beat. An eighth note or a quarter rest gets a half a beat. An eighth note or an eighth rest gets a quarter of a beat. Number 1, C is known as common time. The C with a line through it is known as cut time. Band people, you will have a lot of cut time when you play marches. A lot of marches are in cut time. Or cut time is also called alla breve. Cut time has 2 beats per measure, and the half note receives 1 beat. Number 4, complete the measures using quarter notes, half notes, quarter rests, or half rests. All right, so we're in 2/2 time. Let's use a half note here. We'll put a quarter note here. We will put a half note and a quarter note. We'll put a quarter rest here. How about that? Then we'll put a half note. We'll put a quarter rest. We don't need anything there, and we'll put a quarter rest here. Of course, there are multiple things that you could put there, but that'll work for now. Let's go ahead and clap this rhythm together. Now on the page, if you didn't see the time signature, it looks just like 4/4, but it's counted twice as fast, so we count it in 2. 1 and 2 and ready and go, and 1 and 2 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 and. Number 5, in the example below, circle the measures with the incorrect number of beats. So is this measure correct? No, that one is wrong. It's got an extra beat. Is this one good? Yes. This one's correct. This one is not correct. This one is not correct. This one's fine. This one's wrong. And that one's okay. Number 6, in the example below, draw bar lines and a double bar. Count and clap the rhythms. So if we didn't, we're going to mark this where it looks like 4/4 time, but it's in cut time, so it's counted twice as fast. So our first bar line would go here. Our next bar line would go there. Bar line there. Here. 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 There. And a double bar at the end. Let's clap this rhythm together. Number 6. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2 and. Very good. This concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for watching.